In this changing weather, one day my little one was having trouble sleeping. Nose blocked हो गई थी, continuous sneeze कर रहा था. That's when I reached for Mother Sparsh Vapor Roll-On, which I had just started using. It is natural, no harsh chemical, camphor free, very easy to use. I applied it to his chest, feet, on his clothes and noticed a change. He was relaxed and was able to sleep. It is now a staple in my baby care routine. Thank you, Mother Sparsh.